I'm pissed off today. Trying to get things done, trying to get a video made, and motherfuckers got just getting in my way, just stopping me from doing things, and I'm just tired of it. I'm pissed off, and I just got one thing to say. If you're trying to get things done and you got multiple people trying to distract you and stop you from doing what you gotta do, ignore the hell out of them, because you gotta do what you gotta do no matter if people trying to distract you. But I tell you what, man, I'm pissed off right now. I'm heading out to make me some money because I ain't letting nobody stop my grind. Alright, now that we got that out the way, I got my first order of the day. We got $11, 1 mile, Walmart Spark. Let's get it done. So I drove all the way over there, and it ain't no damn sticker. This dude done had me drive all the way over here, waste my gas, and it ain't no sticker on this Walmart Spark order. So now I done wasted all this time, and I either gotta drive back or I gotta give the order back. Either way it goes, it's a waste of time. All because dude didn't want to give me the sticker. Just ridiculous. He could have just gave me the sticker. I could already had it delivered. He wanted to be a dumbass, so now I'm sitting there.
It was a misunderstanding. Okay, so like right before you came, we had to talk about not giving people stickers, but I didn't understand that that I had to put one on the bag. That's why I was like, sorry, I can't give you the sticker. So here, just let me record that for you.
But you do understand what just happened, right?
Yeah.
I just drove all the way over there, wasted my time, and that's why I wanted the sticker, to prevent that.
Right.
Because what happens is y'all supposed to stick it on the bag, and y'all, not you, it don't happen.
Right.
So you scan it. If they ask, and why you don't just give it to us if we ask for it? Because y'all forget to put it on the bag, just like that.
Right.
And now I don't even want to really deliver it because I didn't already drove over there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's on me. I apologize about that.
I'm just saying, like, that's why I asked for the stickers, to prevent that from happening.
Yeah.
So yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to get another sticker printed now, because what other choice do I have? I'm gonna be sitting here waiting for another order.
Okay, just give me 1 second.
I mean, next time if you could just give it to me though, I'd appreciate that. You know what? Honestly, I should have just canceled it, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do it. Fuck it. I'm gonna just go ahead and get it done. But I should have canceled it though. Yeah, that's fucking stupid. That was a waste of time, and this was a good order too. Again, after driving all the way back to Walmart. Got my next order of the day. We got $7.75 for 4-point-something miles right over here at the sushi spot. So somebody wants some sushi, we gonna head on over and hook them up. I'm actually glad that I actually got a little dash done earlier. I was able to get a nice little catering order, and I got paid 39 bucks on that one catering order. So that was a nice order. I just turned the apps on just to see what was out there, and I got hit with a catering order. So that helped me start my day off with 40 bucks right there. So we in good shape, and it's pretty early still. Got a couple more hours in to go to the end of the day, so we looking good.
Hi.
Hello.
Yes, you guys taking an order?
Yes, ma'am. I have Kendra today.
Okay.
Oh, no worries. How you doing today? Look at all the goodies. This order's not quite ready. I did get this Walmart Spark order. We got $21.68 for 2.1 miles. So I was quick with this one. It was one of those first come, first serves. And it won't be ready to 4:45, so I got enough time to drop this sushi order off and then head over and get my Spark. And there you go. $7.75 is what was shown. I think it said for 4.8 miles or something like that. So let's see what we get. See if it's a hidden tip on $7. And it is. Next order of the day, Uber Eats coming through. We got $11 for, whoo, I don't even know. Let me check. It's a Panda Express order, and I saw $11, and I know that's the hidden tip indicator for Uber, so I knew it was a good order when I seen that. We got $11.67 for 3.8 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one done before I pick up my Walmart Spark order, because I still got about 10 minutes before it's ready. So we in the drive-thru now. Let's get this Panda Express. Alrighty, look at this big old haul. Let's get it dropped. Alrighty, next order, we got $27.50 for 11.8 miles. This one is gonna be a Project Dash order. Let's head on in and see if they got it ready.
Hey, how are you doing?
Doing good. I remember you.
Yes!
How you been?
Been good, the dashing pirate, right?
Man, stop playing with me. What?
No, I know. Yes, I know the pirate. I'm not the
Okay,
pirate.
you're not.
I'm the dashing trader.
Hey, you're right.
He got the pirate.
That's
I do
right.
the stop.
That's right.
Yes.
I followed you on YouTube.
Yes, and I remember. I
right.
appreciate it.
Absolutely.
I think I had like
I saw the one where you were here.
yeah, and I've been getting a couple at the churches in the area too.
Yeah.
And I mean, I just like doing them.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it works out.
Well, we have this for you.
What?
Thank you for dashing.
What? No way. Oh my goodness. See, this is why I love you guys. This is why I love y'all. Man, let's get to this order. Bring some dog food to the community. Let's get it. Oh shit, we got a Karen. Somebody needs some dog food. Next order of the evening, we got $14 for 5.1 miles, 12 items. Outback Steakhouse and Panda Express. Not too thrilled about the Panda order, but I love the Outback order. I usually get some nice tips coming out of Outback. So let's go ahead and check in and get these picked up. I'm actually at the gas station right here next to Outback. I'm finna go in here, grab me a little Red Bull, and then we're gonna keep it moving. For Jessica, probably not. Nope, I see no order in her ready for Jessica. Well, there it go right there. It says it's ready, but I don't see it.
Here's our fee. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order of the evening, got $11.61 for 4.1 miles. It's a hidden tip indicator on Uber. Slide on there and see if they got it ready. Okay. I thought things were slowing down, but actually they starting to pick up a little bit. I got my next order. I got another Outback Steakhouse order. This one was for $10 for like 7 miles, but I was heading down the highway in the opposite direction, so it actually clocked the wrong mileage. So we're gonna get this one dropped off. Outback have some good tips on it. That last one was a $10 tip. And something what was shown, and $10.50 is what we got. Alrighty, next order of the evening, we got $12.25 for 8 miles. And I think this one's gonna be a catering order because it's calling me over there. So let's slide on over and get this $20 bill. Alrighty fam, we made it to Applebee's. Let's see if they got our catering order ready. Looking like a no, but that's okay.
Yes, sir.
Catering order has been dropped off. Let's see how much. Oh, I handed it. Yep, I handed it to him. Let's see how much 150 in Applebee's pays. Okay, 18.15. I'll take it. Alrighty, made it back. We done for the night. We done. I did 4 hours and 15 minutes of work, y'all. And in 4 hours and 15 minutes, I was able to make $33.98 on Walmart Spark, $33.18 on Uber Eats, and a whopping $132.76 on Doordash, bringing my total to $199.92 for 4 hours of work. We can actually call that, no, we're gonna call it 4.15 because I worked 4 hours and 15 minutes. So we're gonna divide that by 4.15, and that gives us, nope, messed it up, total of $48.17 per hour. So if you wanna know how you can make up to $50 an hour, using gig apps, you want to follow these tips I'm giving you in these videos, because if you just rely on one single gig app, you're not going to be able to attain that goal. I obtained that goal by using multiple apps and multi-app in my way. I dash along the way. Like when I pick up a Spark, I see if I can get an Uber or a Grubhub or Doordash going in the same direction. That's how you maximize, because none of these orders, save for the catering orders, are going to give you $50 in any given order. So every now and then you may get a catering order that gives you that, But even the catering orders don't typically pay $50 per order. So you want to make sure you multi-app it. You want to make sure you maximize it. I'll catch you in the next one.